This is a Black History Moment.
The Selma to Montgomery marches were three marches in 1965 that marked the political and emotional peak of the American Civil Rights Movement. They were the culmination of the voting rights movement in Selma, Alabama. The first march took place on March 8, 1965, and was called Bloody Sunday, when 600 civil rights marchers were attacked by state and local police with billy clubs and tear gas. The second march took place on March 9th. Only the third march, which began on March 21st and lasted 5 days, made it to Montgomery. In Alabama, more than half of the population was African American, and only 1% of them were registered voters. This day forever will be known as Bloody Sunday, and the route has been memorialized as the Selma to Montgomery Voting Rights Trail, which is now a national historical trail.
This has been another Black History Moment.